So, what is VIT Bhopal to me?
A vibrant creative space
with a whole lot of opportunities,
offering relevant courses
in a diverse campus
with multi-ethnic pack of people.
Students from all states of the country.
VIT is a 40-year-old university which is recognized by both Indians as well as foreigners. It has got accreditation both in India and outside India. Our 4 campuses, Vellore, Chennai, Amaravati and Bhopal, have the common admission and also common placement.
VIT Bhopal is located in Central India,
making us accessible within 12 hours.
From any part of the country. We are well connected through road, rail and air. With FFCS, fully flexible credit system where I have the freedom to choose
My credit.
my course, my faculty.
My timing.
To the extent of completing my degree at my own pace.
my life,
My uni.
my rules.
Being a part of a university where academic freedom greets talented minds.
We simply don't teach.
But facilitate and foster the student learning process. This is the
First private university. The first and only private university to have 100% doctoral faculty. And they come from 25 different states.
We adopt a student-centric policy.
With the Proctor Procty scheme, there's ease of communication and personalized mentorship.
We are pushed to perform and excel.
We are graded too.
We actively learn, unlearn and relearn. Reinventing learning pedagogy through Caltech.
WhatTech with Caltech.
Collaborative
And active learning through technology.
Combining practical and theory in one classroom.
Through an integrated studio space.
We watch, we listen, we practice, and we create.
learning together and helping each other understand.
Creating an environment for effective problem solving. And
Who said learning isn't fun? Through project-based learning and assisted internships.
We actively participate in real-world problem solving, giving tech solutions to grassroots level challenges. Through various club activities and experiential visits,
We become explorers and go-getters.
we are exposed to various avenues to launch our careers in global platforms.
our international relations office brings the world to our campus.
I'm currently pursuing my master's from State Institute of the Amazon.
Getting a project position at CSBC Department of Physics and Astronomy, University of Florida.
For anyone considering this path, it's truly a journey of growth.
In this new age competition between humans and machines, we want VIT Bhopal students to have an edge, an advantage that only a coveted brand like VIT can offer. We want them to be technologically superior and ethically strong. We want VIT Bhopal students to be the pioneers of the VUCA world.
What?
VUCA world.
VUCA world
VUCA world.
A world that
is volatile, uncertain,
complex and ambiguous. There is a strong focus on emerging areas of R&D
With labs for robotics,
cloud computing, data analytics,
gaming,
Aerospace.
tissue engineering, Center for Excellence in Cybersecurity, Center for Excellence, AI in Healthcare.
Center for Excellence in Operation Research.
VIT Bhopal has a sprawling green campus of 300 acres and over 30 lakh square feet of built-up space.
Designed and built for us, the Gen Z, for the hyper-connected digital native.
I used to walk 10 kilometers a day to go to the school from my native village. That walk is the success to my life.
I am a star student from VIT Bhopal. I scheme to support advancement of rural students.
Not just me, but 2 toppers of each district of Madhya Pradesh from government schools of Madhya Pradesh Board of Secondary Education
Are given completely free education and stay. Identifying hidden talents and creating new stars.
Through STARS, we have opened the doors for higher education to rural schools.
We are ready, future ready.
with industry skills.
Making us the most sought after among the major corporate and tech giants.
Our placement record stems from the vast amount of preparation, training, inside information, and industry connect that VIT Bhopal University provides for its students.
Giving special attention to each of us.
Equipping us with the skills required for a work environment.
To unleash our true potential. Carving out our path to success.
From Punjab to Japan by VIT Bhopal. My journey was made easy by the constant support, guidance, and the mentorship provided by our very scientific faculties. Today I am proud to say that I am based in Hitler, Japan. When I joined VIT Bhopal, I saw many seniors are getting placed in Microsoft year and after year. I aspire that it should be me when I get my chance. Mission accomplished.
Building the legacy of VIT.
In the heart of India.
So, what is VIT Bhopal to me?
VIT Bhopal is University 4.0.
Path-breaking. New and cool campus.
Exemplary.
Nurturing. Diverse. Adventurous. A place for emerging dreamers.
Cinematic.
Weirdly good.
A cheat code for engineering.
A place to learn. A chance to grow.
VIT Bhopal is my VIT, the best VIT.